Guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete all your credit or debit card information on PS4. It's really easy and it will take you a few minutes to do so. So first, what you need to do here, you need to go on settings, and then you need to go on account management, and then you need to go on account information, and then you need to wait for a few seconds here until it loads up. And then you need to go on wallet, and then you need to go on payment methods. And as you can see here, you need to put your password here. So I will put my password and be right back. And when you put your password, press continue. And then as you can see, you will see all your cards that you basically link to your PS4, and then press on the card that you want to delete. And then as you can see, the last option is delete your remove this payment method, and press on it and press yes. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.